Hello friend, welcome back to my another video. In this video you will see plastic bottles recycling reuse craft. This type of craft promotes sustainable living by encouraging people to see waste as a resource. It inspires innovation in design, turning everyday objects into statement pieces that highlight the importance of recycling and conscious consumption, whether displayed indoors and outdoors. These recycled crafts add an element of uniqueness and eco-awareness to any environment, proving that beauty and responsibility can go hand in hand. Recycling plastic bottles into home decor is not only a creative outlet but also a powerful statement about sustainability and mindful living. These everyday containers, often discarded after a single use, possess remarkable potential when viewed through an artistic lens. Their smooth curves, transparency, and flexibility provide a blank canvas for imaginative expressions, allowing crafters to shape them into elegant, whimsical, or rustic decor items. Plastic bottle crafts reflect the essence of modern eco-art, transforming waste into beauty, whether the aim is to complement minimalist interiors or add a splash of color and vibrancy to traditional settings. Plastic bottles adapt effortlessly to a wide range of aesthetics. Their ability to mimic the appearance of glass, metal, or ceramic when properly treated and painted allows for high-end results with minimal resources. In addition to aesthetic value, these crafts also carry emotional and educational weight. Creating decor from recycled materials cultivates a deeper appreciation for nature and the environment. It encourages children and adults alike to think resourcefully, embrace hands-on creativity, and develop a sense of responsibility toward reducing waste. The process of turning plastic bottles into decorative art also fosters patience, precision, and an eye for design. From cutting and assembling to coloring and final touches, every step is an innovation to slow down and engage with the act of creation. The final product, whether it's a wall piece, centerpiece, or hanging ornament, serves as both a visual delight and a reminder of the potential hidden within the overlooked and discarded. Using plastic bottles for home decor not only champions the concept of reduce, reuse, recycle, but also showcases how sustainability can seamlessly merge with aesthetics. What was once seen purely as waste becomes a medium for storytelling, innovation, and design. Each cut, fold, and brush stroke adds character to the plastic, transforming it from a mundane container into a meaningful piece of art. The beauty of plastic bottle crafts lies in their accessibility. You don't need expensive tools or specialized skills twisted imaginations, basic crafting supplies, and the willingness to explore. This inclusively makes it an ideal hobby for families, schools, and community groups, turning craft time into an opportunity for environmental education and creative bonding. Decor items made from plastic bottles also highly customizable. Their form can be softened with heat, textured with cuts, or embossed using simple techniques. Would you like? I really hope that you will like all the information that I shared with you. So keep supporting me, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you.